Good morning, students. My name is Mrs. Fountain, and I will be your English instructor for the semester. Right now, I want to go over with you how to navigate Schoology. My course and all your other courses will be set up differently depending on the teacher, but I just want to show you how things in my class will be set up. So this will be your home page. You'll see your name here, and you'll simply, click on your course if you're in English 9 or Honors English 9. I'm going to go to English 9. Your pages will be set up quite similar, just with the different work. Your work schedules will be a little bit different. So the first thing you see here is your my welcome Bitmoji classroom. And it has a lot of links and things that you need to know. My email is here, adfountain@mcpss.com. You can email me or have your parent email me for any questions concerning your grades or your classwork. Also, we'll have a Google Meets every day that I will be there in Google Meets for any questions that you have concerning whatever we're doing throughout the course. So you can actually click on this and it will take you to Google Meets. It may look a little different for you because it's set up different for students and teachers. So you'll just click join a meeting. You'll put in this code every day. The codes will be different for English 9 and Honors English 9. So your code will be here. Also, this here is a link to my personal YouTube channel. This will be here to for you to go and look over any videos full of lectures or explanation of notes, things like that. You can easily access those. Our best bell schedule is right here. You can click on that. It'll bring you to the bell schedule. It is simply just a slideshow. So your bell schedule is here. Another important thing that I want to show you about this Bitmoji classroom is the two main things that we'll be reading in both classes, the Odyssey and Romeo and Juliet. These books are both links, so you can click on this. It will take you to a PDF of the textbook. That will be there for you. It's much easier. It will be much easier for you than having to download the textbook and find the pages within it. The same goes for Romeo and Juliet. You can click it and it will take you to a PDF. For honor students, we will read The Wave and Animal Farm. Both of these, if you click on them, it will take you to a PDF of those textbooks. Other than that, every week you will see your weekly assignments. You can simply click on these. Right now we're doing Navigating Schoology, your icebreaker activity. You can click on these. They will give you instructions and like with the Nearpods, if you do the Nearpods, your codes are there for you. And so every day your work is lined up for you with links to instructions and how to complete those assignments or readings. Week 2 is already up as well. And for right now, that's really all you need to know about navigating My Classroom in Schoology.